This is a 2021 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this Ultra Limited is vivid black with blue pinstriping, which really sets this bike off. This bike is about as new as you can get. It has only 3 original miles on the odometer. Dream Cycles USA was fortunate enough to grab this bike before it had been sold and before it had been ridden. So this is about as close as you're going to get to a new 21 that you'll be able to find. The factory warranty is in effect till 4/26 of 24. This bike is in perfect condition. There's not a mark, absolutely no flaws. This bike is so new that if you look in the tailpipe here, there's not even any carbon. This is just an absolutely beautiful bike, and the blue pinstriping just really sets it off. Being a 21 Limited, it comes with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you down the road with all your gear, your passenger, up and over the hills, power to pass. Comes equipped with the new GTS boom stereo, which is Bluetooth, AM, FM, weather band, GPS navigation. In this compartment right here, you can put your phone or your iPod in there and charge it and integrate directly into the system, or you can Bluetooth it in, control it with the touch screen or with the hand controls. This bike even has the original factory sticker on the mirror. It hasn't been removed yet. Nice big comfortable seat for you and your passenger. Great backrest for your passenger. Great stereo system. ABS brakes, cruise control, traction control. Heated grips. Comes in real handy if you're riding in the North Country or in the fall. Nice big 6-gallon tank, so you have a lot of range with this bike. This bike is completely stock. It's just the way she rolled off the factory floor into the showroom, and it can be rolled right into your garage. If you're in the market for a new touring bike and you've got your eye on a brand new Ultra Limited, take a really good look at this 2021 Ultra Limited. It is a new bike basically, except for the title has been titled to Dream Cycles USA. 3 original miles, full factory warranty until April 26th of 24. Don't get stuck paying all the dealer charges, the setup, the freight, the dock fees, all those mystery fees that the big boutique dealerships charge. Call Will at Dream Cycles USA and get the out-the-door price with absolutely no fees added. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.